For many years, Australia's car industry has produced some of the most iconic muscle cars, with the Ford Falcon and Holden Commodore leading the pack. While production has long ceased, the legacy of these incredible vehicles continues to captivate car enthusiasts worldwide. Among these legends, one stands out, the 1978 Ford Falcon XC Cobra 302, an iconic Aussie muscle car that has made its way across the Pacific and is now available in the United States. The Ford Falcon XC Cobra 302 was a limited edition model, with only 400 units produced, and each was individually numbered. This particular model, number 349, has had a storied life in Australia before being imported into the US in 2003. It's currently residing in Granite Falls, Washington, and it's up for auction on Bring a Trailer. For those with a passion for unique muscle cars, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a piece of Australian automotive history. The Ford Falcon XC Cobra was born out of a significant moment in motorsport history. In 1977, famous Australian racing drivers Alan Moffat and Colin Bond finished in first and second place at the Bathurst 1000 endurance race, and Ford decided to commemorate this victory with a special edition Falcon. The XC Cobra marked the end of an era for the two-door Falcon, as it was the final model to feature this body style. With its distinctive snow-white paint accented by bold blue graphics, the XC Cobra's look was hard to forget. Out of the 400 total examples of the XC Cobra, 200 were equipped with the powerful 5.8-liter 351 Cleveland V8, while the other 200 featured the slightly smaller 4.9-liter 302 Cleveland V8. Both engines were available with either an automatic or manual transmission. The example currently up for auction features the 302 V8, which was originally rated at 202 horsepower and 268 lb-ft of torque. Though those figures may seem modest by today's standards, there's still something incredibly thrilling about hearing the deep growl of the 302 V8 rumbling under the hood. This particular XC Cobra is far from stock, as it has been modified to increase its performance. The 302 engine is now equipped with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, a performer intake manifold, an aftermarket camshaft, and new exhaust headers. These modifications have undoubtedly boosted the performance and driving experience of this rare muscle car, adding to its overall appeal for collectors and enthusiasts. The car has a well-maintained odometer reading of around 121,000 kilometers, roughly 75,000 miles. Despite its age and mileage, the Falcon XC Cobra still looks fantastic. The exterior is in pristine condition, and the cabin, which features black and blue cloth seats, remains in excellent shape. The car's overall condition is a testament to the care it has received over the years, ensuring that it remains a head-turner wherever it goes. For anyone interested in owning a piece of automotive history, this Ford Falcon XC Cobra 302 is an opportunity that should not be missed. The auction for this car on Bring a Trailer is winding down, with less than a day left before it closes. As of now, the highest bid stands at $45,500, but it's anyone's guess where it will end up. This rare muscle car is not only a perfect example of Australia's automotive heritage but also a reminder of the golden age of muscle cars when raw performance and eye-catching design were the names of the game. If you're looking for a car that blends classic muscle with undeniable style, the 1978 Ford Falcon XC Cobra 302 is the perfect fit. Don't wait too long to make your move. Head over to Bring a Trailer to place your bid and potentially drive home with one of Australia's most famous and sought-after muscle cars. With the auction closing soon, now is the time to act.